How to create TikTok pixel for Shopify. So you may be new to TikTok ads or you have already started using them. Either way, it's important to install your TikTok pixel correctly on your Shopify store. In this easy to follow video, I'll show you exactly how to make the perfect connection between your TikTok pixel and Shopify. By doing this, you'll ensure that your conversions are accurately tracked and that TikTok's algorithm works in your favor. The creation of TikTok pixels specifically designed for Shopify serves a crucial purpose in marketing efforts. The TikTok pixel is a piece of code that you install on your Shopify store, allowing you to track and measure the effectiveness of your TikTok advertising campaigns. So it can be used for conversion tracking, which enables you to track various types of conversions on your Shopify store, such as purchases, add to cart, events, and registrations. This helps you understand the impact of your TikTok ads on driving these actions and provide valuable insights to your campaign performance. The other is optimization. By installing the TikTok pixel on your Shopify store, you can optimize your TikTok ad campaigns. The pixel collects data on user behavior, allowing TikTok algorithm to better understand your target audience and serve your ads to users who are more likely to take desired action on your store. So let's dive right into the process. First, log in and access the backend of your Shopify store. So on the left side of your screen, on the apps section, you can find Add Apps. So click on that. This will open up a tab. Then when you scroll down, you'll find more apps in the Shopify App Store. So here, just head over to the search apps and search for TikTok Pixel. And the search results should yield the official TikTok app, which you will want to select. So here, click on the TikTok app, simply select the install option to add it to your store. Once you have done that, you'll notice a prompt indicating that the app needs access to your customer and store information. This is normal and necessary for the app to function properly. So on the bottom, click on install. By doing so, you can see TikTok being listed here. And okay, so as you can see here, it says grow your business on TikTok. So this is exactly what you are looking for. It offers features such as optimizing marketing campaigns, simplified creative creations, and effortless pixel installations, which aligns with your needs. Next, click on Set Up Now. Initially, you'll be asked to connect a TikTok for a business account. If you haven't done so already, visit business.tiktok.com and follow the instructions to create your account. Once your account is set up on a business.tiktok.com, return to Shopify and click on Connect TikTok for Business and then select Connect. This will prompt you to enter your information. Simply log in using your newly created TikTok for Business account. It is important to note that the TikTok for Business account is distinct from a regular TikTok account used for posting organic content or using the app itself. So once you have created your TikTok for Business account, you have the option to link it to your TikTok profile. To do this, you can click on Login with TikTok and sign in using your TikTok profile if it's already connected to a TikTok for Business account. Alternatively, you can enter the login details specific to your TikTok for Business account. After logging in, TikTok will prompt you to connect your TikTok for Business account with Shopify. So simply click Connect to proceed. So to ensure successful connection, double check that your ID and account name match what you see on your Shopify store. To confirm this, you can visit business.tiktok.com on the top right corner and hover over your account name, and you can see the ID, which I slightly blurred, displays the same number as your TikTok Business Center. Please note that I have blurred the information on this video because it's a sensitive information. Okay, so on the TikTok Business Center page, you should see the account name and ID. Once confirmed, you'll be directed to the TikTok Ads Manager, where you'll be prompted to connect your TikTok Ads Manager. So if you have already set up a TikTok Business Center account, it typically comes with an Ads Manager account by default. However, if you don't see anything in the Ads Manager section, you can click on Create option or visit ads.tiktok.com and log in using your TikTok for Business account and you'll be prompted to create an ads manager TikTok for your business. Usually, this step is automatically done when creating TikTok business account. So when it comes to data sharing, it is essential to choose the right option. Avoid selecting standard or enhanced because they won't provide enough data and may not properly fit the TikTok pixel. Instead, choose the maximum data sharing option to ensure accurate tracking and optimal performance of the TikTok pixel. So here select maximum for data sharing. If you haven't created a pixel for your ads manager account yet, Shopify will automatically generate a new pixel for you. So it will be named something like TikTok pixel for Shopify, followed by a series of numbers and then the creation date. Once you have chosen a maximum data sharing and see the pixel name generated, you can click on confirm at the bottom right. And after completing all the necessary steps on the Shopify side, you will notice green check marks indicating the completion of each step. Okay, so finally click finish setup to finalize the process. After completing the setup, you'll be redirected to a page displaying TikTok marketing ready. To confirm that your pixel has been properly set up, you can visit ads.tiktok.com. So here log in with your ads manager account. From the top navigation bar, hover on the tools and then click on events. So here on the web events, you can click on manage. Ensure that you can locate the same TikTok pixel that was created on Shopify. By checking the pixel details such as the creation date here, you can verify that it matched the pixel you recently set up on your Shopify store. You can verify that it matched the pixel you recently set up on your Shopify platform. This confirmation will give you peace of mind that pixels have been successfully created. And also you have the option to click on the TikTok pixel itself, which will display the default event associated with a Shopify store. These events include actions like completing a payment, adding payment information during a checkout, initiating a checkout, and adding items to cart, viewing specific products, or performing search on your website. Additionally, you can click on Test Event button. This will prompt you to download a Chrome extension called TikTok Pixel Helper. So by downloading this extension, you can enter your website URL, download a QR code, and scan it using your mobile device. As you browse through your website on mobile, the event should appear on the screen confirming that the pixel is functioning properly. So once you add an item to the cart on your Shopify website, you will see a notification on the right side of the screen confirming that a test event, such as add to cart, has been received. And that's it. That's how you set up a TikTok pixel on your Shopify website.